As a high school student, you have a lot of terrific things in store for you, not to mention being a part of our great nation's future. What makes America great? Individuals just like you registering to vote. Don't think you're old enough? Great news. In the state of Florida, 16 and 17-year-olds can pre-register to vote. Join your classmates in exercising one of our greatest freedoms, the right to vote. Why register to vote? It seems like a simple question with a simple answer. Yet many Americans struggle to exercise this hard-fought privilege. Consider this. What would our country look like if Americans weren't allowed to vote? We exercise our right to vote because we all want to live, work, and play in a country where we can achieve our goals, make our dreams come true, and prosper. Our founding fathers understood this right as observed through the Constitution of the United States. Not only does the Constitution define the framework of our federal government, it vests the power of our union in its people as seen in the first 7 words of the preamble. We the people of the United States. While much has changed since our Constitution was ratified by the 13 states, the power of the American people to effect change by exercising their right to vote has not changed. Did you catch that? You have the ability to effect change by voting. It's a chance for you to make a difference in how you live, work, and play. Registering to vote is the first step in making that difference. Registering to vote online is super easy. All you need is either your valid Florida driver's license or a Florida identification card. Another option is to have the last 4 digits of your social security number. Head on over to LakeVotes.gov. Select the Register to Vote tab near the top left of the page. There is some great information on this page that we encourage you to read, including who is eligible to vote in Florida. Next, select the online option. Click the Register to Vote Florida.gov graphic to begin the registration process. Ready to navigate the Florida online voter registration system? Select the button with your preferred language. Then select the Register or Update button. You'll be directed to Step 1. Just 3 quick clicks, and you'll be on your way. Next, select New Registration and scroll down the page to complete each section as directed. This is where your valid Florida driver's license, Florida identification card, or the last 4 digits of your social security number is going to come in handy. Prove that you're not a bot, and then it's on to Step 2. In Step 2, you will need to select your party affiliation. One must be selected, but it's easily changeable in the future. You will also need to enter your residential address. This is the physical address of where you live. If your mailing address is different from where you live, that address will need to be provided as well. While the remaining sections are optional, you are encouraged to complete the personal information section. The finish line is just ahead. Step 3 is a review of the information that you've provided in Step 1 and Step 2. Take a minute and review your selections for accuracy. Once you've completed your review, read the oath, check the box, and click Submit. It's as easy as that. Congratulations! You are now part of a powerful society, the American voter. See you at the polls!